Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Ball possession. Second technical feature on number 20. Attitude. Second on the shot lock. 2 points only on number 6. Good for 2 on number 7. The MQC. Dito sa lamang ng MQC at 43-21. One shot. Tayo lang yan. Basket on number 3. Number 5 for the MQC salted. Look at that. Number 7, good for 2. Unsportsmanlike foul na naman ang tinawag. Number 12 sa Sindalan. 2 technical features on number 7 plus ball possession. First technical feature, it's good. Second technical feature on number 7. Two for 2. Same ball for the MQC basket. Number 2 out for the MQC. First point like fall na naman yan. Tinawag kay number 7. First technical free throw number 20. Pasok yan. Pangalawang technical free throw ni number 20. Same ball po tayo. Shot clock remaining at 90 seconds. 90 seconds to shoot. Shot clock at 10. It's been committed by number 6. Block and foul. Second to foul on your MQC. Shot clock remaining at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Good for 2. Same ball. Ten seconds at the shot clock. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 3. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Holding foul committed number 9. Blocking foul. Back to the ball game. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good one to another 20. Sindalan. Good one to number 5. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 6. Shot clock running at 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Three seconds violation. Turnover, America Queen College basketball. Number 3, good for 2. Number 6 out for MQC. Clock running at 20 seconds to shoot. Ten on the shot clock. Good for 2, number 5. Good for 2, number 20, minutes. Warning on number 18 for taking a foul. Good for 2 on number 2. Warning number 18 for taking the foul. Sindalan High School. Number 20, good for 2. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock 5. Good for 2, and number 5. Committed number 3. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock 5. Foul has been awarded Holding foul committed number 18. Basket on number 7. Second throw on number 7. To make 2. 2 out of 2. It's an offensive foul committed number 12. Offensive foul. Colonel number 12. Holding foul committed number 9. Penalty. First free throw. Wala. Second throw on number 7, Pineda. Wala pa rin. Last touch on MQC, Sindalan basketball. Foul has been whistled. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 8. Number 8, for your reminders. Split on number 13. Zabel. Shot clock running at 22 seconds. 22 seconds to shoot. Hot shot done. A foul committed number 13. Pushing foul. 2 free throws on number 21. Split throw on number 21, Karyan. Ten seconds until the basket. Two minutes. Foul has been whistled. Foul coming over. Up, number 5. It's good by Figueroa. Second throw on number 20. 2 out of 2 on number 20. Whistle foul committed number 21. Penalty. 21. First, Charlie throw is good. Second throw on number 3. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Last touch on Sindalan MQC basketball. Timeout Sindalan High School. back to the ball game. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 3. First throw number 8. Wala. Second throw ni number 8. Foul committed number 6. First free throw on number 9. It's good. Second throw on number 9. Free throw only. Good for 2 on number 6. Good for 2 on number 20, Figueroa. Put back on number 3. The basket counts. Foul committed, basket counts, foul committed number 3. Good one two on number 20, Figueroa. Last by Johnson, the run, MQC basketball. That's the end of our third quarter. This is score 164 for MQC, 45 for Sindalan High School.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.